Once stripped of character, this home was transformed with timeless details and bold design. Oak ceilings, parquet floors, and layered textures create a space that's both elegant and playfully eclectic. Meghan Eisenberg is an accomplished interior designer known for her ability to blend different styles to create unique and inviting spaces. One of her notable projects involved transforming a 1928 California Tudor home, aiming to restore its authentic charm while injecting a fresh, Bohemian sensibility. This particular home, located in the Silver Lake neighborhood of Los Angeles, initially lacked much of its original character due to previous remodels. Working in collaboration with architect Jeff Troyer Associates, Eisenberg embarked on a comprehensive renovation, reconfiguring living spaces and meticulously restoring 1920s details. They introduced classic elements like vaulted ceilings clad with oak planks and laid Chantilly parquet on interior floors. Cobblestones were used for patios and terraces to achieve a timeless yet relevant look. Eisenberg's design approach for this Tudor home showcases her skill in mixing bold prints and patterns with understated elegance. masterfully balances minimalism with richness and playfulness with sophistication. Reflect the homeowner's Bohemian tastes, incorporating layered textiles and unexpected color palettes. A blend of materials and textures from different decades adds depth and character. For instance, the great room features voluminous floral sofas over a jute rug. The primary suite pairs a camel corduroy curved sofa with an 80s olive burl dresser. A whimsical dusty pink wallpaper with dancing nymphs in the powder room highlights her daring and delightful choices. The transformation also included converting an unused crawl space into an additional 1,000 square feet of living area, adding a family room and guest suite. Ultimately, the project resulted in a warm, inviting, and magical home that embodies the personality of its occupants. It stands as a testament to Eisenberg's artistic expertise and her belief in creating spaces that reflect the best version of her clients.